Do you know what the strongest material in our universe is? In this video, we will talk about an interstellar object and an animal that can completely freeze and come back to life. So let's get to start our video. Fact number 1. Do you know? Deep in Antarctica, Allan Hills, scientists have found ice up to 6 million years old, and inside it are microscopic bubbles that trap the real ancient atmosphere of Earth. These bubbles are like time capsules, perfectly preserving greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane from the Miocene and Pliocene eras. Long before modern human existed, scientists carefully melt the ice. Those gases are released, allowing researchers to literally study the air from a vanished climate. This discovery is surprising. Even during naturally warm periods millions of years ago, carbon dioxide levels stayed below 300 parts per million. But today, Earth's atmosphere contains over 420 parts per million of carbon dioxide. This shows how human activities push into conditions the planet has not seen for millions of years. Fact number 2. On July 1st, 2025, the Atlas telescope in Chile discovered a strange object in space. Scientists named it 3I Atlas. After studying its motion, scientists realized it doesn't belong to our solar system. It follows a hyperbolic path, which means it is on a one-way journey through the solar system and will never orbit the sun because of this path and its extreme speed. Scientists confirmed it came from outside our solar system. That is why it is called an interstellar object. It enters our solar system at a speed of more than 60 kilometers per second, much faster than normal comets. Its solid core is very small, less than 1 kilometer wide, but it is surrounded by a huge cloud of dust and gas called a coma. As it moved closer to the sun, the comet released strong jets of gas and dust, forming bright tails. Telescope observed that its dust has a reddish color, which is unusual for comets from our solar system. Scientists also found very high level of carbon dioxide compared to water, which is odd for a comet. They detected unusual chemicals like cyanide, showing that this comet formed in a very different environment. 3I Atlas passed near the paths of Mars, Venus, and Earth, and it reached its closest point to the sun in last October 2025. Fact number 3. In the ancient Maya city of Caracol, located in modern-day Belize, archaeologists recently discovered a sealed stone tomb that had remained untouched for nearly 1,700 years. When the chamber was opened, it revealed the burial of a powerful early Maya ruler from the early classic period, around 330 to 350 CE. Inside the tomb were elite treasure such as a rare mosaic jade mask, jade ear ornaments, painted ceramic vessels, carved bones, and marine shells. Everything in the chamber was covered with red cinnabar, a substance used only in royal burials. Hieroglyphs carved on bones and pottery suggest the tomb may belong to Choak, the founder of Caracol's royal dynasty. The discovery also revealed early connections to distant cities like Teotihuacan, showing that Maya kings used art, religion, and foreign alliance to strengthen their power. This find has given archaeologists a much clearer picture of how early Maya rulers built and maintained authority. Before going to next fact, we see video for this part. I think you like it. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Fact number 4. Do you know there is an animal that can freeze completely and still come back to life? It lives in the cold subarctic regions of Siberia. It is called the Siberian salamander, one of the toughest animals on Earth. During winter, temperatures can drop below minus 40 degrees Celsius. This would kill almost any other animal. But this salamander survives by hiding under the ground or beneath leaves. As winter begins, it fills its body with natural antifreeze chemicals like glycerol and sugars. These chemicals replace water inside its cells. This stops sharp ice crystals from forming and damaging its body. When the cold becomes extreme, the salamander freezes solid. Its heart stops. It stops breathing. Its brain becomes inactive. Life almost pauses completely. The amazing part is what happens next. When spring arrives and the ice melts, the salamander slowly wakes up. Its heart starts beating again. It begins to move and crawls away as if nothing ever happened. Scientists have found that this animal can survive frozen for months or even years. This ability is now helping researchers study cryopreservation, which may one day help store human organs. It also makes scientists wonder if life could survive on frozen worlds like Mars or icy moons far from the sun. The Siberian salamander shows us that life is far stronger than we ever imagined. Fact number 5. Have you heard about nuclear pasta? It is not food, it is one of the strongest forms of matter in the universe. It was found inside a neutron star. A neutron star is formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and, collapsed under its own gravity, explodes as a supernova and leaves behind an extremely dense core. Inside them, gravity crushes atoms so tightly that normal atomic structure cannot exist. Most particles become neutrons with small number of protons mixed in. Two powerful forces then compete with each other. The strong nuclear force pulls particles together, while the electric force pushes protons apart. This constant struggle forces matter to stretch and twist into strange shapes that look like food. Apart from its shape, nuclear pasta is extremely strong and may be the strongest material ever known. This strange material helps scientists to understand how the universe works under extreme conditions.